Hello, Bizarre Furhead here again. So, when I was rearranging the garage, as you can see, I just moved one pile of crap to another place in the garage, basically. I did rearrange it, I'm just joking around here. Underneath some Christmas decorations and more miscellaneous crap, I found a brake kit that I bought for the Jeep last year. And it's a full brake kit. It includes, as you can see, we got the rotors, new pads, new hardware with crush washers in there, one for each side. Well, two for each side. We got fancy race and red color calipers. You know, they add 10 horsepower per side. And then we got super duper fancy, not only drilled and slotted rotors, but both. I know, another 15 horsepower per side with that. Then we have new pads and all the hardware that goes with them. And I forget where I bought this, but I believe I bought it on Amazon because they were having a special deal where if you bought the entire set, it was like $200. So I bought the set, and I just haven't done it or gotten around to it. But I noticed when I was looking at this guy, when you turn it over, you have some rust. Now, guaranteed it's been sitting for about a year, so it's not a huge problem or anything like that, but just a little concerning. So I'll probably be working on this weekend while giving me some time to let this workbench become a true workbench again, you know, in true in green and yellow fashion, letting it sit. And then I'll be making videos about the progress on upgrading the Jeep brakes slowly and surely through this next week. So there's probably going to be at least 3 parts to it. You know, 1 of the teardown, 2 of the rotor installation, and then 3 of the caliper installation. That's probably the way I'm going to do it. But as of right now, it's Sunday, and I hope y'all in YouTube land are having a great day out there. And remember to stay frosty. Bizarre Furhead signing off.